My husband Chris and I have had the chance to go to New Zealand twice now. The first time we thought it would be a once-in-a-lifetime trip and we'd never get the chance to go to that part of the world again. But we loved it so much we couldn't wait to go back. So we went back 3 years later, and I'm going back in 2011 to teach at the Queenstown Symposium as well. I can't wait because I haven't seen that part of the island. But during our time there, a total of 2 months, that's all, we absolutely fell in love with the country. It is a country of spectacular natural beauty. You have cute birds like these pukekos, which have become the kind of unofficial, official birds of New Zealand. But one bird you won't see is the moa, which is extinct. It was an enormous bird, like a giant ostrich, and the Maori hunted it for both its meat and its feathers. And now their real feathers are actually small and brown and not very interesting. But I like to think that perhaps like the Loch Ness Monster, there's one lurking somewhere, and maybe in a forest it's developed into some beautiful peacock-like bird. So I did a moa feather, just to think that maybe one day a girl can dream that there's perhaps one still around.